What we did, we got dividend in advance of 40 billion, which will be recovered over the period. So that is even more than 2 years of dividend. The earlier we conclude this transaction, the better for this economy. We are getting about 240. You cannot wait for 7 billion to be paid next year. You delay then another year, you will say, no, let us again wait for 7 years. How many years will it take us to get 240 billion? And dividend payment is guided by law and principles. You cannot be speculating that, oh, we will get dividend, so let's wait. Let us conclude, in my view, this transaction within the legal framework and respecting the judicial process. Conclude it, have money in the National Infrastructure Fund, and do major projects. JKIA needs to be done and concluded so that we can remain a competitive economy. That must be done. We will only be able to do JKIA if this fund is running. This is an economic matter. This is a transaction. This is an investment. You don't play politics with it. You put substantive matters. And by the way, matters of valuation, matters of share pricing, is matters that we have professionals in this country to deal with.